Hello, Feryal. Thank you for joining this interview. It's a pleasure to have you here.
Yeah, I'm really glad to be here. Thanks for having me.
Could you please start by saying how you chose your occupation? Was it your lifelong dream or a spontaneous decision?
Well, my dad is an orthopedic surgeon,
Oh,
and from a young age, I was fascinated by the human body and its anatomy. I was curious about how everything worked and wanted a deeper understanding of what was happening beneath the surface. I also dreamt of being in the operating room, observing surgeries and exploring organs in real life. I used to ask my father to take me to the OR, but that dream never came true. Instead, I found my own way now. I operate myself, and I think I fulfilled that childhood ambition.
I see. That's a really interesting story. And what was your choice of residency training based on? Why did you go into plastic surgery and oncology?
Plastic surgery appealed to me because of its incredible diversity. So, it offers a mix of emergent and elective procedures, ranging from the highly complex to the relatively simple, and across different parts of the body. My favorite areas happen to be the head and neck and breast surgery.
Mm-hmm.
As for oncology, well, during my residency, I was deeply involved in reconstructive procedures. This naturally led me to learn more about oncology. I wanted to fully understand what my patients were going through and provide the most suitable treatment options for them. So while plastic surgery was always my dream, my exposure to oncology during training ignited a new passion that complemented my work.
Feryal, in your work, do you prefer following modern tendencies or sticking to traditional methods?
Okay, so for this question, when I was starting out, I believed that new always meant better. Over time, though, I realized that not everything that shines is necessarily gold. I believe that mastering foundational traditional skills is essential for any surgeon. Modern methods are valuable, but they should build on and not replace the basics.
Would you say that you feel that modern medicine is galloping? And in what way?
Medicine has indeed come a long way, but it remains an ancient discipline at its core. Compared to the technological boom of the last decade, the pace of medical advancements can seem slower. However, the integration of technology into medicine is happening rapidly, though it's often tempered by the need to prioritize patient safety. So, this is a critical consideration that sometimes slows the process.
Yes, that's absolutely true. And what is the cutting edge technology that is used in your chosen sphere? Could you maybe give an example?
Sure, so surgical advancements over the past decade have been remarkable. For example, cutting edge microscopes now allow us to suture structures as thin as a hair strand with incredible precision. Not only so, but robotic systems can operate these microscopes, which reduces complications and enhances the outcome in microsurgery. This precision and innovation is transforming patient care in ways we couldn't have imagined before.
Oh, wow, that does sound impressive. So, my final question. Overall, would you say that the key factor in the success of medicine is the technological innovations, or do you still think the experience and proficiency of the doctor play the main role?
It's difficult to prioritize one over the other because they're deeply interconnected. But if I really had to choose, I'd say the human factor, the doctor's experience and proficiency, play the most significant role. Technology is an extraordinary tool, but it's the surgeon's expertise that truly determine the quality of care and the outcome of the patient.
Ariel, thank you so much for sharing your opinions today. It was incredibly interesting and informative.
Thank you. It was a pleasure, and I'd be more than happy to join you again anytime.